Do you ever wonder if you've got adequate water flow for your pressure washer? I'm Dave Peterson, Product Manager for Alkota Cleaning Systems. Today we're going to perform a quick, simple test to decide if your pressure washer can keep up with the water flow going through a garden hose. It's a really simple test. All you need is a 5-gallon bucket, a 3/4 inch garden hose, and a timing device such as a cell phone or a stopwatch. If you can fill that bucket within a minute, you've achieved success. The bucket test will help you keep from doing prolonged damage to your pump head. Over time, you may be damaging the pressure washer head of your pump without even realizing it. So let's go ahead and do the bucket test.